Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So this one, it's a tribute to the National Health Service that we have here in the UK, and it's basically for me to say thank you to them for looking after me for the last few days. And I'm only doing it with gel polish because I don't want to be doing any acrylics or anything that might affect my breathing. So I probably won't talk too much as well during this video. I'll just come in when it's needed or to explain something. All the colours that I'm using today I will list in the description box, and I'm starting off with a light blue from Brillbird, and I'm going to be doing an ombre with a lilac. So I was sort of thinking, do I use blue and pink, because you know they're normally the ones that are associated together, but in one of my other videos I did a blue and pink ombre, so I decided to go ahead and use this lilac colour. I have been getting so many withdrawal symptoms from not doing videos. These are absolutely addictive to me, and nails is my passion. I've been doing them from 1999 and I don't think I'll ever stop doing nails. I absolutely love it, and every new thing that comes out I always like to try it, and any of the new stuff that comes out I always, you know, go ahead and try and buy it without my husband knowing. So I'm just using my little Born Pretty ombre brush, and I'm just starting in the blue, and I'm just working my way down into the lilac, and then I'll turn around and do it in the opposite direction as well. That way I'll try and get a seamless blend. I went ahead and did the second coat off camera just to keep the length of the video down, and now I'm going in with a really fine glitter from Brillbird. It's their Magic number 6, and it's a really super fine glitter. It's almost like mermaid glitter. I love it. Now I've applied the matte top coat to all my nails, I'm going to go ahead and do any of the nail art on the matte surface. I'm just using my little LED torch just to flash cure the colours of the rainbow, and then once they're all on I'll go in and do a full cure. here I'm just filling in the blue where I didn't bring it down far enough at the beginning. So I thought I would do like sort of like an ECG, only because this is what's been happening with me over the past couple of days, and honestly the NHS staff have been amazing. Now I'm just going in and I'm doing all different sizes of hearts just across the nails, just to represent the love that we have for our National Health Service. I really do apologise for not talking too much throughout this video. And hopefully over the next couple of days my breathing will start to get better and I'll be talking normal. Now that all the hearts are done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the NHS letters in the little heart that I've done along the ECG lines. So now I'm just applying the Glitter Planet Super Gloss Top Coat, and here is the finished set. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can hit that subscribe button now, and I will see you all in the next video. See you soon, take care, bye.